there, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to review this pan. And this pan is made by Mr. Rudolf. It's R-U-D-O-L-F. And it's a non-stick frying pan. And it's made from a granite coating. You can actually see the little white dots on there. And it's really smooth. It's just, everything just slides off of it. And it is stainless steel. You can see that I've been using it. It's got some marks on it. For almost a year, I've been using this pan and totally enjoy it. I can tell you that it cooks evenly. You can use it on all types of conventional stovetops. The handle is really nice. It feels really good. I think I said it was dishwasher safe, and it's just been a real pleasure to cook with it, and I'm going to buy some more.